Wuhan Building Material Industry Design and Research Institute Company Limited's fiber cement production technology mainly includes the following parts: raw material treatment, slurry preparation, sheeting, receiving, and stacking, pre-curing and destacking, autoclave curing, depiling, drying, sanding and edging, etc. The main production line workshop is composed of pulp preparation section, double width flow-on fiber cement board production line, hat check fiber cement board production line, drying, sanding, and edging section, and final goods storage area. Firstly, send cellulose into hydraulic pulper to get pulp, then get it refined by refiner and pulp to the pulp storage tank. Pump certain amount of the refined pulp to the fiber dissolver. Get all powder materials blended at the same time. PLC automatic blending system gets the measured powder material, pulp and water mixed, and then pumps to the slurry mixing tank. For the flow-on production line, slurry has to get the flow-on box first. The slurry inside of the flow-on box goes out on the felt as a thin film with water, and then wrap on the forming drum after dewatering. When it gets to the required thickness, blade on the forming drum gets out and cut it off automatically. The spread green sheet is conveyed by the belt to the stacker, and its edge is cut off when going through the cutting device. Each piece of the green sheet is stacked with one template to avoid sticking. The edge materials, which are cut off from the green sheet, will be sent to the waste material mixer for recycling use. The wet sheet needs to be pre-cured in the pre-curing tunnel to help the board get a prime strength, which will be good for mechanical destacking and stacking. For hash check production line, the slurry has to get into the vats homogeneously. The paste-like material is fished out by sieve roller and then sent onto the running felt to get it formed, cut, and stacked. Wet boards, which need to be pressed, should be dragged to the ground crane automatically after being stacked. The ground crane then hangs the car full of wet boards up and sends it onto the press car, which drives a board into the press machine to get them pressurized. Send the boards to the destacker after being pre-cured. Templates are removed and spacers are inserted. The removed templates will be cleaned by the oil machine and be stacked onto the stacking car, and then go back to the stacker for recycling use. Autoclave cars with restacked boards are pushed onto the autoclave rails by frequency control trolley. Another frequency control trolley with winch then pulls the autoclave car group into the autoclave for autoclave curing. When the autoclave curing is finished, all of the cars inside of the autoclave are pulled out by winch of the frequency control trolley. And the frequency control trolley then transfers the autoclave car to the depiler to get the spacers removed from the board stack. At the same time, the autoclave boards are sent to the dryer one by one through roller conveyor, positioning roller conveyor, board turnover machine, and belt conveyor. Dried boards, which are not qualified, are stacked by the rotary vacuum board stacker and then sent to the semi-final product area. The board, which needs to be post-processed, are conveyed to the sanding machine to get polished so as to optimize its appearance. The polished board is then sent to the edging machine to get its 4 edges grinded so as to make the board reach an accuracy size. After being post-processed, the boards need to be checked, sampled, and tested, and then be piled up for the forklift to deliver the final product storage area.